Your liver works hard filtering toxins, breaking down fat, and keeping your body in balance. But a poor diet and alcohol can overload it. Here are 5 science-backed foods that help cleanse and protect your liver naturally. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory effects that directly support liver health. Studies show garlic supplementation significantly improves liver enzymes like ALT and AST, especially in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It also reduces fat accumulation in liver cells, improves blood lipid profiles, and helps regulate blood sugar. These combined effects make garlic a powerful tool against metabolic liver issues.
Number 2. Green tea and other teas. Green tea is loaded with catechins, antioxidants shown to reduce liver fat and inflammation. In people with fatty liver disease, green tea helps lower liver enzyme levels and improves overall liver function. Matcha, a more concentrated form, has shown similar benefits. Animal studies suggest pu'er tea improves fat metabolism and reduces liver inflammation. Oolong and black tea may also support liver health, though more human research is needed. Number 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale, and cauliflower contain compounds that activate detoxification enzymes in the liver. In studies, Brussels sprouts increased liver enzyme activity after just 2 days. Cabbage contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation and may help protect against toxin-induced liver damage. Cauliflower contains glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, natural compounds linked to liver cancer prevention. Kale's antioxidants are also associated with reduced risk of fatty liver disease.
Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound shown to reduce liver inflammation and oxidative stress. In animal studies, curcumin reversed alcohol-induced liver damage and protected liver cells from dying. It's also shown potential against chronic hepatitis, fibrosis, and cirrhosis. Curcumin supports liver detox pathways and may improve liver function even at low doses, especially when combined with antiviral treatments. Number 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is rich in the antioxidants naringenin and naringin, which protect the liver by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Research suggests it may help slow the progression of hepatic fibrosis and reduce fat buildup in the liver. In animal studies, naringenin also improved alcohol metabolism and reduced liver damage caused by a high-fat diet, suggesting protective effects on multiple fronts. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.